In my last video, I showed you how to charge the clicker. Now I'm going to teach you and your cat one of the most useful and versatile training skills they'll ever learn: target training. Target training is the foundation for so many things. You can use it for harness and leash training, carrier training, confidence building, fun enrichment games, and even fun tricks. Once your cat learns to follow a target, you'll be amazed at all of the skills you can teach them. Hi, I'm Emily, cat trainer and cat adventure enthusiast. I believe cats are capable of so much more than we give them credit for. Let's help them thrive with enrichment, training, and adventure, indoors and out. Let's kitty cat go! Today, we're taking the next step in my beginner clicker training series and teaching your cat how to target. Targeting simply means teaching your cat to touch their nose to the end of a target stick or your finger. It sounds simple, but trust me, this one skill can open the door to so many training opportunities. Before we jump into the how-tos, let's talk a little bit more about why target training is so useful. Once your cat has learned to follow a target, you can use it to do things like lead them onto a scale, help them enter a carrier, move them onto a chair, cat tree, or designated spot, teach jumps and agility style exercises, help with harness and adventure training, play enrichment games that get them up and moving. I use target training all the time with my own cats. In fact, you'll see it show up in many of my training and enrichment videos. To get started, all you need are your cat's favorite treats, your clicker, and a target stick. A target stick clicker combo like this one is even better. If you don't have a target stick, don't worry, you can use your finger. I'll show you how to do that later. Step 1, introduce the target. Some cats are naturally curious. If yours is, simply hold the target stick a few inches in front of them and wait. The moment they lean forward and touch the end of the target stick with their nose, click, treat, repeat. You may be surprised by how quickly some cats figure this out. If your cat isn't interested in touching the target stick on their own, that's okay. You can help them out a little bit. Make the target more enticing by placing it near a treat or by putting a tiny dab of lickable treat on the end. When your cat approaches and touches the target, click, treat, repeat. Remember, we're looking for a nose touch, not a paw swipe or bite. Step 2, build distance. Once your cat is consistently touching the target, start moving it slightly further away. Just a few inches at first, then a little further and a little further. Before long, your cat will begin following the target around the room. This is where target training starts to become really useful. For step 3, we're practicing with our finger. Even if you have a target stick and your cat is catching on to it pretty well, I always recommend training finger targeting too, because you might not always have a target stick available. Plus, there are situations when using a finger is easier or makes more sense. The process for training your cat to target your finger is exactly the same as with the target stick. Hold out your finger when your cat touches it with their nose, click, treat, repeat. Now that your cat knows how to target, you can start having some fun with it. Use it to guide them onto different objects, move them through an obstacle course, lead them into their carrier. And if you've watched my treat jump game video, target training is one of the ways I level up that activity for a more advanced game. A couple quick things to keep in mind. Keep your training sessions short. End the training session when your cat is still interested in having a positive experience. And don't worry about being perfect. We're simply trying to teach your cat that touching the target with their nose earns rewards. The rest will come with practice. And that's target training. It's one of my favorite skills to teach because it's simple, fun, and incredibly versatile. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more cat adventure, training, and enrichment content. Until next time, happy adventuring.